Alright, today we're going to do a video of a 2012 Haas ST-40 CNC turning center. It is a chucker, which means it has no tailstock. The machine is equipped with a 15-inch chuck. You have a tool touch-off part setter, and then you have a 12-position turret, chip conveyor as well. The spindle is currently running in the low range at 250 RPM. Speed it up a little bit. That's about 400 RPM in the low range. That's 600 in the low range. Now we'll do a gear shift. Get the spindle up and going. That's about 400 RPM in the high range. That's about 750. That's 1,000 RPM. We'll swing down. Your touch setter. You can hear all the sides work. Jog the axes. That's your Z axis. Nice and smooth. Everything you see bolted to the turret goes with it tooling wise. You also have your leveling pads and chuck jaws. That's your X. Also nice and quiet. Index your turret. Indexes both directions. And that basically does it. Machine's presently wired for 220 volts. It can be seen under power in Harrison, New Jersey. Thank you for watching.